Hi, Regular. My name is Mo from MarkNative. I believe you spoke to my associate, Jessica. She let me know that you are interested in watching the video that we have for you. So here it is. So the point of this video is to go over three main things that you can start doing today to start ranking on Google and bringing in more traffic to your website and overall grow your business. So the three main things that I'll be going over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Content is pretty self-explanatory, but there are a few things that we don't know about. Right? A lot of people don't know about what's needed to actually rank with content, and also backlinks and citations I'll be going over on the video as well. Okay, as you can see, I have your website pulled up. Very nice looking website. So regular, very first thing, as you could see, it says not secure. You definitely want to get the SSL certificate, and you want to make sure your website is secured. So when customers they come into your website, they know any contact details that they enter or any type of transactions that they do, it'll be encrypted. Okay, you build trust that way. So very first thing, as you could see, I like your website overall. Now you do not have enough content. Okay, so we need at least 1,500 to 2,000 words, and then that really depends on the competition, how much words you actually need. And the point of content is so you could stuff in buyer intent keywords that people are actually searching for per month. Okay, cleaning companies in Lancaster, cleaners in Lancaster, clean my home, right, etc. As you could see here, I have Google pulled up. I wrote cleaning companies in Lancaster, PA. We will just skip over the directories because Google actually prioritizes the actual business websites over directories like Yelp, Andy's, etc. So your main competitor in Lancaster, Pennsylvania is Big Green Clean, Lancaster House Cleaning, which is the cleaningauthority.com. Okay, so let's go through your competitors over here. Let's look at their website. Very neat for sure. They have a good amount of content, but not enough. Okay, so we need to beat them. You could easily get 1,500 to 2,000 keywords, 2,000 words overall, and you'll actually beat them out with content. Okay. Second thing, what we want to do, we want to kind of dive deep behind the scenes on what really goes on. Okay, so here's a tool that I have pulled up called Ahrefs. It allows us to see all of the back-end data, okay, the things that Google looks at, okay, which actually determines us and where we rank. So this person is ranking pretty high on Google. As you could see, it's right here organically. So behind the scenes, they're not doing that well. Okay, they're ranking for 171 keywords, as you can see, organically. That means they're not paying for it. Okay, like they're not paying ads or another, but they're doing SEO, and they're being found for 171 keywords. Okay, so definitely we want to get this up. For you, you have 0. You're not being found for any keywords, so we want to work on that. And then for backlinks, backlinks are basically links that another website has which points to you. So when you read a blog or article, there's hyperlinks. You click on the hyperlink, it takes you to another page, right? It's like a popularity contest in eyes of Google. So whoever has more backlinks will be more popular in eyes of Google. Okay, but quality over quantity matters. Okay, you're a cleaning company, but you don't want to get links from, let's say, flower shop or gyms, okay, gaming websites, etc. You need backlinks from cleaning companies. Okay, so the more you have, the higher you will rank. Okay, so that takes me to my last item that will actually help you rank, which are citations. Citations regular are, let me show you. As you could see, the Google map listing over here. So citations are your business name, phone number, addresses, everywhere on, let's say, all over the internet, right? On Angie's, on Yelp, on different blogs and articles. The more places you are in, the higher you will rank. Okay, so these are the three things that I had to go over: content, backlinks, citations. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you could definitely feel free to reach out to me. My name is Mohammed, or I go by Mo. My phone number is 347-210-0943. I really hope this video helps you and then helps you start ranking right away. Thank you.